guys, welcome to Nika X Kawaii channel. Today I want to make video with my squishy home. What is this? Okay guys, just keep on watching. Okay, the first squishy okay, this is my haul for my mom. Okay, the first my mom buying squishy. This is I finished the review pake, and this is I bloom. So slow. And today I make video in the bed. And the second, my mom buy medium emoticon bun, medium emoticon burger bun. This is slow. Okay, let's open it. The first, the cupcake CPR. This is not slow, but I like this. This no slow. And this two. Thank you. Okay, the second in the packaging is what is this? Splat. This is Splat's egg. This Splat's chicken egg. Wait, this is a Splat's cake. This is cake. So cute. The next, my mom buy. Oh my god, jumbo emoticon bun. Slow. Okay, guys, this is slow. And the last squishy haul from my mom is jumbo panda bun. Okay, this is my scissor, and sorry guys, this is not slow but so soft because this is busa CPR. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye guys.